I'm going to start sharing in a bit. And as I was saying, today is comparación de adjetivos, so all about adjectives, okay? And comparación and comparatives and superlatives. Okay, thank you for the hearts. Okay, so I'm going to start sharing. Okay, let's see. Okay, so comparatives. These ones are like more than, in English, less than, as, okay? So they're really useful, to know this. So I thought, let's do this. So, más adjetivo que is more than. For example, María es más alta que su hermana, okay? Más que, okay? María, Mary, is taller than her sister. We use más que, okay? Then we have menos que, okay, like less than. Menos alta, we can say the same one with con menos, okay? So, María es menos alta que su hermana. Okay, Mary is less tall than her sister, okay? Okay, next one is as. So, we have tan como, okay? So, we have Julia es tan guapa como su madre, okay? Julia is as beautiful, as pretty as her mother, okay? And we can also use for as, igual de plus adjective, okay? Yo soy igual de lista que tú. I am as clever as you, okay? So, this is comparativos, okay? Let's check superlativos. So, superlativos is the most or the least, okay? So, el más guapo. So, we can say, María es la más alta de su familia. She's the tallest of her family, okay? El más guapo. And we can say, la más, okay, if it's feminine, el más. Masculine, if it's plural, los más. And las más, okay? Los más guapos. Somos los más guapos estudiantes de español, okay? We're the most beautiful, handsome Spanish students, okay? And the same thing with menos, the least. El, masculine, la, feminine, los, masculine, plural, las, feminine, plural, the adjective, okay? Menos, adjective, the least, okay? So, soy el menos fuerte de la clase, okay? I'm the least strong in class, okay? So, easy, right? The only thing, so this is we do the same with this, but there are some exceptions, okay? Some irregular ones, and we're going to check this out in a moment, okay? So, irregular ones. So this ones, it's like in English, like bad, worse, the worst, okay? Malo, peor, el peor, okay? And an example of that, oh, thank you so much. I love that example. Eres la mejor profesora del mundo. Thank you. You make me so happy. So, mi pizza es peor que la tuya, okay? That's my pizza is worse than yours. Mi pizza es la peor, okay? My pizza is the worst. So, malo, peor, el peor, okay? Bueno, mejor, el mejor. Good, better, and the best, same, okay? So, an example would be, mi pizza es mejor que la tuya, okay? My pizza is better than yours. O mi pizza es la mejor. My pizza is the best, okay? So, for bueno, mejor, el mejor, okay? Okay, viejo, old, mayor, el mayor. So, old, older, the oldest, okay? Yo soy mayor que mi hermano, for example. I am older than my brother, okay? Soy el mayor, I'm the oldest. Okay, so these ones you have to memorize, but they're really easy, okay? For malo, peor el peor. For bueno, mejor el mejor. For viejo, mayor el mayor, okay? Hi, hola. So happy to see you all here. Okay, so we're studying comparativos, superlativos, okay? So we're saying more than, okay? Less than, the most, the least, okay? For those of you just joining, okay? We have done this, okay? Más que, more than, menos que, less than, tan como, as, or the same thing as tan como, we can say igual de plus que. Okay, so remember all the slides, you can get them, okay? If you click the link in my bio, I have there all the slides for the whole month with all the practice, okay? So, it's amazing. La for feminine, yes, la for feminine. Perfect, muy bien. So we're seeing that, comparativos, superlativos, and the regular forms, okay? So, are you ready to practice? I think we can do this, right? Okay, so here I'm going to give you a clue because I'm going to be translating. But you should be able to do it just seeing like the que or que or those things. So let's start. So Cristina es simpática que Luisa. So we have que there, okay? So thank you for the hearts. So Cristina es, so in English, let's say in English, Cristina is like more, well, we would say friendlier in English, but it will be more than, okay? Friendlier than Luisa, okay? So what would you use in Spanish? Do you know? Do you want me to help you? Muy bien, perfecto, perfecto, muy bien, Sarine, perfecto. Cristina es, muy bien, sí, muy bien, muy bien, muy bien, perfect. You're also clever. Sois los más listos. You're the cleverest. Cristina es más simpática que Luisa. Okay? Perfect, everyone. Next one. Esas chicas son trabajador, is the adjective, of school, del cole. You have the clue there. Del cole. So, what do you think? Those girls, those women are... Muy bien. It's plural. So that's perfect. Perfect, Chris. Perfect. So those girls are the most hardworking of school. So we have to put plural. Las más trabajadoras. Okay? Las más trabajadoras. Muy bien. Muy bien. Okay, las más trabajadoras because we're using the comparative. Perfecto. Muy bien. Thank you for the hearts. I'm seeing all the hearts and seeing all your comments. And you make me super happy. Okay? Las, remember, las because esas chicas is plural and feminine. Las más trabajadoras del cole. Muy bien. Okay, let's go. Next one. Mi hermano es que yo. Okay? So this one is like a tricky one. Mi hermano es que yo. And viejo, remember, that's an irregular. So we have viejo, mayor, el mayor. So, muy bien. Muy bien, you know everything. Mi hermano es mayor que yo. Okay, perfecto. Muy bien. Mi hermano es mayor que yo. My brother is older than me. Muy bien. Perfecto. Perfect, everyone. Great, I'm so happy. Muy bien. Perfecto. Okay, next one. Yo soy pequeña de mi familia. Okay, so, and this is true. So, yo soy pequeña de mi familia. Okay, so, I am the youngest of my family, okay? So, yo soy, what would be? Because imagine it's me, so it would be la, okay? So, yo soy la, what? Muy bien! Perfecto. La pequeña de mi familia, okay, but we would say la más pequeña de mi familia. Muy bien, la más pequeña de mi familia. O el más, if it's masculine, yes. So, yo soy el más pequeño de mi familia. Okay, if it's masculine, yo soy la más pequeña. Remember that the adjective has to go with the masculine or feminine too, okay? The gender, okay? Perfect. Perfecto. Yo soy la más pequeña de mi familia. Muy bien. Okay, next one. And it's the last one. Wow. We're almost over today. Tu perro es como el mío. And the word is bonito. Okay, so your dog is, as you have como there, como is the clue. Okay, perfect. Muy bien. Muy bien. Muy bien. So tu perro es tan bonito or igual de bonito. Perfect. Muy bien. Tu perro es tan bonito como el mío or tu perro es igual de bonito que el mío. Well, we have to say tan bonito como. We have como there, okay? Muy bien. Perfecto. Wow. You amaze me. You amaze me. I'm so happy you did everything perfectly. Aren't you proud of yourselves? I'm sure am of you. Estoy súper orgullosa de vosotros. And congratulations, we have finished our January challenge. Okay, now I'll be able to check this one out and we have completed the whole month. I'm so happy you have joined every single day with me to practice. You make me so happy. I enjoy so much this little time we have to, practice Spanish and be one with another. Okay, so remember, if you want it, you have it all there for you. Every single day I upload it. Tomorrow I will upload this last one, okay? And there's a lot of practice, a lot of value there. You get a lot, okay? So thank you so much for being here with me. You know that I love spending time with you. Y nos vemos mañana. Shall we see each other tomorrow? I have to think about it. Nos vemos mañana. What do you think? We should do this in February too, right? It has been fun. I have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you for the hearts. I will try to be here tomorrow, same time, 9 p.m. As always, Central European time, okay? Oh, gracias, Benzín. Por favor, qué bonita eres. You're so kind. Okay, so we have to say bye, bye, adiós, adiós y hasta mañana. Os mando un beso enorme. ¡Mua! Adiós, adiós a todos. Adiós.